Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back again in the middle of the night. That's why I look so tired. It's been a long day. This is part 2 of my video that I did about my beard routines, and these, I wouldn't call these routines because this is what I do like 3 times a year. As I said, when I have an interview or event or something to go to, I go to the barber, let him fix the beard, and then I color it. I'm gonna show you why. The funny thing is that every time I even book a time at the barber, I start to think that my beard looks good the way it is. But yeah, now I have the appointment booked, so I will not cancel. But this is just my own beard, no trimming, no nothing at all, before I go to the barber. And this is what it looks like after I've been to the barber. It's not done. I'll do the finishing touches myself, and he draws the line, so I know where the line is when I go with the knife later. And around the mustache and around the lips, I do that myself. So he used to do the heavy work, and then I'm gonna to color it. And now I'm done with my part. Fixing around the lips, mustache, the edges, the fine tuning. So now to coloring, because as you can see, this part is gray, and yeah, I'm a lot of gray, but this is the spot that I really don't like. And now I'm done. I think the barber took a bit too much, but it grows fast, so yeah. And I usually combine brown and black, but this was a new color called dark brown, and I think I had it in too long, so it's a bit dark, but after like 2-3 washes, it goes like more normal. So this looks much better than earlier, of course. So this is why I recommend you to color your beard. Makes it looks a lot fuller. It's still my hair, all of it. I haven't used the pen that I usually do, but this is on me with color. And this is after I've used the pen, just to make the line clearer. On my daily basis, I don't use the pen. I don't do like this. But if I want to look good for some kind of occasion, then I use the pen. So yeah. What do you think? Is it too much, maybe? Then I just go on as normal, brushing my beard all day long. That's always like the finishing touch, but I never stop doing it. So, but you need to brush your beard. So as you can see, clearly it looks a lot better. Yeah, the barber took a bit too much. I'm not super happy with that, but it grows out pretty fast, and it's a shade darker than I'm used to, but hey, I look good. It looks better than the long gray beard anyway. So yeah, I recommend you from time to time go to the barber. Even if you do a good job yourself, you can always learn something new. And as I do, I make the barber do the heavy work, and then I do the finer touches. You can do it the other way around. You can do the heavy work yourself and let the barber do the edges and finer touches. And I really do recommend you to color your beard. Even if you are, I don't know, whatever color, ginger or whatever, you have a color that fits you. You don't have to make it darker than it is. It's just that it will look filler. That's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about beard routines, treatments, whatever, let me know. I have a bunch of products coming in. A brand that wanted me to try their products. So subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.